All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do skirt steak caramelized onions. A couple things I do with the onions is I'll put a little olive oil on it, a little bit of Cuban dust on it before I put it on the flat top. Let's talk about the mojo. You know, there's mojo out there, and I will tell you that I have not found another one like this, like the 90 mile to mojo. We make it with Spanish olive oil, real sour orange. We do 25 pounds of actual fresh garlic in every single batch. We have lemon juice, lime juice, orange juice. All of that combined with the same seasoning that's in our seasoning pack makes this mojo. This is actually a 24-hour process. This has to be cooked, it has to breathe, and then it can get bottled. You can look at the other ones that are out there and you're not gonna see this. I'm telling you, check this out. This is all the flavor you need. It is so good. You can drink it. I can taste the garlic. I can taste the orange juice. I can taste the freshness. There is no MSG in this. This is the only way to go. Now, let's go ahead and start cooking that skirt steak. Couple things. I tell you about salting, not with this. This went for a 24-hour marinade in the mojo. You can see the olive oil in there. You can see it. This added all the flavor to that skirt steak you're gonna want. I'll put the onions on first. Here's the money shot, right here. As it's cooking, I like to put the onions on top. Add a little bit more of my mojo that it's been marinating in. You're tailgating. You got a flat top, perfect. You can make tacos with this. This can be a meal on its own. It's versatile, it's easy, it's fast. Just flipped it over. You can finish it cooking it here, or if you want to, you can actually transfer it over to the grill and finish it off in a grill. If you got a setup like this or you got a grill going, you can do both of those things. Chop up the onions, because I'm thinking it's taco time, you know? Turn down the heat on the other side because I want to transfer it. The onions are calling for a little mojo love too. There you go. I'm gonna give it a couple grill marks. See those nice marks?